AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will. It is undeniable that we are living in the beginning of a new era for several industries with the emergence of ChatGPT and its friends. And digital marketing is no exception. If you don't know how to take advantage of this, I'm sorry, you will fall behind. You will become completely obsolete. And this will happen much faster than you think. With this in mind, I created this course to reveal to you all the latest secrets of what you can do to turn ChatGPT from a threat to your job into an ally. An ally that, on your side, will make you up to 8 times more effective in generating copy. In the course, you will learn how to instantly multiply and access your copy knowledge, how to manipulate text in infinite ways until you find the perfect copy, know your customer up to 16 times faster than you would before, and much more. And I'll tell you this, since this is just the beginning, this course will still increase by a lot. And by purchasing today, you'll get practically 2 years of updates entirely for free. You'll have lifetime access to a crucial content to take your copy level to another level and open the doors to everything that is possible with AI. In addition, you have Udemy's 30-day guarantee. If you don't like it at any time during those 30 days, you can request a refund and that's it. You'll have your money back. So what are you waiting for? Every day, more and more people are exploring ChatGPT and becoming the new copywriters 8 times more powerful than the current average. Buy now and come explore this new universe with me.